Imagine a place where the sky is filled with a thick blanket of yellow clouds, where the pressure would instantly crush you, and where a day lasts longer than a year. Welcome to Venus, our enigmatic neighbor. Venus astonishes us with its unique characteristics. Holding the position as the second planet from the Sun, Venus basks in an intense heat, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. Its surface temperature is enough to melt lead, and its atmospheric pressure is like being a kilometer deep underwater on Earth. This world doesn't follow the crowd either. It's the only planet that rotates clockwise, an oddity among the celestial bodies. Adding to its peculiarities, a day on Venus lasts 243 Earth days, yet its year is shorter. Named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, Venus is anything but hospitable. It's a world of extremes, a world of mystery. A planet that's closer to us than you might think, yet still holds many mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Venus, named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, has intrigued mankind for centuries. Its brilliant gleam has been a beacon in our night sky, a celestial enigma that has captivated the imaginations of ancient civilizations. Long before telescopes were invented, the ancient Greeks were the first to recognize Venus as two separate entities: Hesperus, the evening star, and Phosphorus, the morning star. They admired Venus, recording its movements with precision, but it was not until later that they realized that these two stars were in fact one celestial body. Similarly, the ancient Mayans, with their advanced astronomical knowledge, also observed Venus. They considered it a significant celestial body, and even based their calendar, the Venus round, on its cycles. Now let's fast forward to the Renaissance era, when the telescope was invented, opening a whole new window to the universe. Among the first to peer through this new invention was the Italian astronomer Galileo Galilei. In 1610, Galilei made the first telescopic observation of Venus, forever changing our understanding of the cosmos. His observations showed Venus going through phases just like our moon, which provided strong support for the then controversial heliocentric model of our solar system, a model that placed the Sun, not Earth, at the center. Galilei's observations of Venus were groundbreaking. They provided tangible evidence that Venus orbited the Sun, a revolutionary idea that challenged centuries of geocentric thinking. Since then, our understanding of Venus and its place in the solar system has grown by leaps and bounds, yet it remains as alluring and mysterious as ever. From our earliest ancestors to the great minds of the Renaissance, Venus has long been a source of fascination. As we continue to gaze upon this brilliant celestial body, we are reminded of our unending quest to understand the universe and our place within it. Scene script. Venus is a world of extremes, a place where the usual rules of planetary behavior seem to be turned on their head. Imagine a planet that spins in the opposite direction to most others in our solar system. That's Venus for you. Unlike its planetary neighbors, Venus rotates clockwise. This is known as retrograde rotation, a cosmic ballet that makes Venus a standout performer in our solar system's dance. But the peculiarities don't stop there. Venus is not just content with being different, it also has to be extreme. The pressure on its surface is enough to crush you, comparable to diving more than half a mile deep into Earth's oceans. It's the kind of pressure that makes the hardest diamond seem as soft as marshmallow. Now let's talk about time on Venus. If you thought your workday was long, consider this. A single day on Venus is longer than a year on Earth. Yes, you heard right. It takes Venus about 243 Earth days to complete a full rotation on its axis. Now that's what we call a long day. But here's the kicker. A year on Venus, the time it takes for the planet to orbit the Sun, is shorter than its day, clocking in at just 225 Earth days. Imagine celebrating your birthday and the New Year on the same day every year. And despite all these extremes, Venus isn't shy. In fact, it's one of the brightest objects in our night sky, proudly showing off its thick yellow clouds that reflect sunlight. Venus, named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, certainly isn't a place where humans could survive. But its unique characteristics make it one of the most intriguing bodies in our solar system, a planet that continues to captivate and challenge our understanding of what it means to be a planet. In a solar system filled with wonder, Venus stands out as a truly unique world. Above the surface of Venus, a spectacle awaits, a sky like no other, filled with clouds of sulfuric acid, casting the planet in an eternal yellow haze. This yellow haze, ever present in the Venusian sky, is a result of the planet's unique atmospheric conditions. These conditions set Venus apart from any other planet in our solar system. The clouds that envelop Venus aren't made up of the water droplets we're accustomed to on Earth. Instead, they're composed of sulfuric acid, a corrosive substance that lends the sky its distinctive yellow hue. These sulfuric acid clouds form a thick layer that completely covers the planet, stretching about 45 to 70 kilometers above the Venusian surface. This dense cloud cover traps the sun's heat, contributing to Venus's infamous status as the hottest planet in our solar system. But the Venusian sky isn't just about heat and corrosive clouds. It also presents a display of atmospheric phenomena that are as intriguing as they are unique. For instance, Venus experiences a weather event known as sulfuric snow. This phenomenon sees the sulfuric acid in the clouds condensing into a snow-like substance that falls onto the planet's mountain peaks. In addition, Venus's sky is home to what scientists call mysterious dark streaks. These streaks, visible in ultraviolet light, are thought to be caused by compounds that absorb ultraviolet radiation, although their exact composition remains a puzzle to be solved. Despite the harsh and inhospitable conditions, it's fascinating to ponder what it'd be like to stand on Venus and gaze up at its yellow sky. It's a vista that's both alien and mesmerizing, a sight that reminds us of the diverse and often surprising wonders that our solar system holds. A sky that's both beautiful and deadly, a testament to the harsh realities of our neighboring planet. Despite its harsh conditions, Venus is not always hidden from our sight. Indeed, there's a certain charm to this fiery world that refuses to be concealed. Often, as the sun dips below the horizon and the stars start to twinkle, you might notice a bright object hanging low in the twilight sky. That's Venus, our celestial neighbor, often referred to as the evening star. But why is Venus so visible, you might wonder? Well, it all comes down to its proximity to Earth and its highly reflective atmosphere. Venus orbits closer to the sun than Earth, so from our perspective it never strays far from our star's dazzling light. Its thick, cloud-covered atmosphere reflects sunlight like a giant cosmic mirror, making it the third brightest object in our sky, outshone only by the sun and the moon. Yet, Venus is not only an evening star, it's also known as the morning star. This dual title isn't a matter of poetic license, but celestial mechanics. When Venus orbits around the sun and passes between our star and the Earth, it appears to us in the morning sky just before sunrise. As it continues its orbit and swings around the other side of the sun, it graces our evening sky just after sunset. There's a fascinating rhythm to Venus's appearances and disappearances. It's a dance dictated by the laws of planetary motion, and it's been observed by countless generations of stargazers. The ancient Greeks even believed Venus to be two separate entities: Hesperus, the evening star, and Phosphorus, the morning star. So whether you're an early bird catching the twilight before dawn, or a night owl seeing the day off with a sunset, look for Venus. You'll find it there, gleaming in the twilight, a testament to the captivating allure of the cosmos. A beacon in our night sky, Venus reminds us of the wonders that await us just beyond our world. Today, Venus continues to captivate us, drawing the attention of scientists and space enthusiasts alike. This enigmatic celestial body, second closest to the sun and the hottest planet in our solar system, is more than just a beautiful evening star. Its thick yellow clouds and crushing pressure make it a world of extremes unlike any other. Our understanding of Venus is evolving. Each day that passes sees us collecting more data, developing more theories, and planning more missions. The future holds great promise. Several international space agencies have their eyes set on this fascinating planet, with plans for new missions to delve deeper into its mysteries. We've come a long way since Galileo first observed Venus through his telescope in the 17th century. Yet, this planet continues to challenge our understanding of the universe. As we continue to explore and understand Venus, who knows what mysteries we will uncover next?